Pro vlogger, dude!
That's Connor, one of the raft guides that was assigned to our trip. Let's just say you're going to be seeing him quite a bit in this video. Hey guys.
I'm gonna walk behind in case you guys drop something like your dignity or something like that. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see me. What's going on?
Do you remember the map?
The map?
The map.
No, I didn't remember the map. Did you guys grab the map?
No. I haven't got the map.
Hope Eric has the map.
We don't need it, it's
Okay.
fine. I don't want to be in the front. You're not going to be in the front?
No, there are two smaller girls.
Oh, they were in ours? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, my crew can follow me down here.
And that's Eric. He was our raft guide. You don't necessarily see him, but you do hear him in the background a couple times. So thanks for being a lit tour guide, dude.
So we're gonna get out of here as fast as possible. What we're gonna do first though is figure out who wants to sit where. So I need 2 volunteers in the very high boat.
Go in the front.
Do you want to go in the front?
Yeah, you go in the front.
I believe this was the point where I realized everything was about to go downhill.
Oh my god.
Sure, I guess.
Okay, and one of you two as well.
Which way did you paddle?
I don't know. I don't care.
Right side.
Okay.
Okay, I'll
You
be
got
on the
two?
safe.
So you can stand where you're gonna sit for now, beside the rope.
And just when I thought I could get away with not sitting in the front, Eric pulls this.
Actually, you know what? Do you want to sit in the middle? Then you 3 girls at the front.
Oh,
and then
Lord. I thought I was getting out of it. I'm not getting out of it.
Okay, we have to be in sync, Meg.
Oh yeah, I thought I was paddling with Curly. I was like, that's gonna be doable. Veronica, I don't know.
So you see that big rock that's downstream?
Yes.
That's called House Rock, okay? We want to go to the right side of that.
Right.
So the first part of this trip is going to require a bit of
A lot of
paddling.
paddling.
Okay? I might sound like a bit of a jerk back here screaming and yelling for a forward paddle, but once we're past that, then we'll be all good, okay?
Oh.
Got
A
it.
little faster than that. Yeah.
I'm enjoying this right now.
Yes. How's everyone feeling?
Woo! Oh yeah, once it hits you again, like you're cold.
Pete Wicked. So welcome to the Athabasca River, everyone. Go for God. My name's Eric. I'll be your guide for today.
I get why you wanted me to turn it on.
You awake now?
I inhaled.
Because your mouth is probably open from the screaming.
That was a good one. Oh, buddy. I was like, oh, it's one rapid. It's 5.
Are you ready?
Woo!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no!
Go! Paddle forward.
That's a bee!
The bee is scaring me.
One more!
I literally can't even stick the paddle.
Coming up next is our next set of rapids. Just downstream of it, you can hear them. Have fun! So what's coming?
I called it.
Say hi to YouTube.
What's coming up next is Glass Wave and Keslin's Ledge, okay? So they're both on the river right. We want to hit Glass Wave because it's super fun, but we don't want to go down Keslin's Ledge because we're going to flip and swim, and I don't feel like swimming today. So,
Come on. Rolling down the river. I'm ready.
I'm not.
Take me, Ariel. Or Titanic. I'm gonna start playing My Heart Will Go On right now. Da, 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 da.
I was trying.
I am a I'll keep you in, girl. There's a bunch of like baby ones. No, I don't like this.
Cool rock to see on this trip here is this one that the boat's pointed at right now. Big stripy rock. It looks like a pumpkin. We call that pumpkin rock. No one has any questions about anything?
No.
No? Meaning of life? No?
I mean, that'd be good to know.
I think we're about to see a fight go down.
I think so.
For the vlog.
They're fronting on each other. Looks like Connor's wussing out.
Chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I also will be uploading more Canada vlogs every other day, so keep out a look for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.